Load them on up. Yeah, let me do. Load them on up. They got y'all by yourself today?
Yeah, I think everybody else is on break right now.
Oh, okay. Yeah, just throw it in there. I got you.
What is that, 8?
Yeah, 8.
Okay.
There you go. Premium mulch. Oh, this mulch a little bit heavier than the other mulch too. That premium heavier.
Yeah. I think it's like probably our heaviest mulch.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
That's 15.
Almost there.
STA green. Your co-worker about to pull off on you.